Hello, my loves. Welcome back. As you can see, I got some plastic wrap there. We're going to start with this beautiful color by Caramia. It's 022 if you're interested, and it comes in a little pack with some actual regular polish if you have a need for that. So we're doing the plastic wrap technique. That's why I had that plastic wrap sitting there at the side. And I'm just using my finger. I just wanted it to be a really, really rough wrinkle, which is really what you're doing. You're wrinkling your polish, right? And so I'm going to show you two. We're going to do a quick video today, super, super quick. I don't even think it's a full 5 minutes. And then I'm going to clean it off. You want to clean off the sides like that though, so that later you don't have weird craters and nonsense that you have to fill. You don't want all of that. You want to be able to mostly just do all this with polish, and that's what I did. You could 100% encapsulate this with some builder gel, but I kept it shallow enough that I did not feel the need to do that. So if you want to go with way, way, way deeper wrinkles, then you may want to consider that. There you go. You have options with this. You can get more elaborate, you can get more crazy, you can add more colors, or you can keep it really simple like this. So, and that's what I decided to do today, just to show how you could finish a very effective look in a very short amount of time, because this really didn't take that long to accomplish. It's basically a few coats of polish and a little bit of buffing. Honestly, that's about it. And that's where we're at now. And yes, totally ruined my polish. That's okay. It was not that much. We'll mix up some more for the rest of the nails. But as you can see, as you buff it out, and it doesn't even take like a lot of pressure or anything. It's not like you're buffing out any sort of like hard gel or anything. It's just polish. So it buffs right out. You don't want to be heavy-handed with it. Really super gentle. And as you do that, you're revealing more and more of the wrinkles that you created, because you don't want the actual nail to be wrinkly. You want those wrinkles to create these beautiful crackly lines. And to me, depending on how I'm looking at it or the mood I'm in, I guess, it either looks sort of like lightning to me or like an earthquake, right? Because you've got all those kinetic, energetic lines crackling through the nails, and I really respond to that look. So I've seen a lot of people do this. This is not a new technique by any stretch, but I just wanted to enjoy making nails. So this is what I chose to do. I know that I'm about to start practicing something off camera that I want to perfect a little more. I've done it on camera before, but I'm not, I think, a pro at it yet. So I'm going to start practicing it. If I can get it down correctly, I'm going to wear it. So definitely stay tuned for that. This is that second nail. And here's the thing. I made a mistake. I should have done a full layer of all the colors so that top wasn't so sheer. It was almost like a jelly black by the time I got done doing the filing. So, oh, and also the thing that got messed up was the footage of me putting on these gems and doing the top coat. So there was a few mistakes to be had, and that's part of why the video is a little too short. But this is what we did. I think it's so stunning. I love this style of a look. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also, let me know if there's anything you'd like to see me attempt, because I'm down for anything. And don't forget to subscribe, because we got a great 500 subscriber giveaway. We're going to see you on Saturday for something else new. Mwah! Until then, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.